Good morning everyone. My name is Rokhanji. I am studying in 7th grade. My topic is Firokh Shah Tughlaq. Firokh Shah Tughlaq 1351-88 century who was a illuminated by the Numians and the novel. Firokh Shah was a precious loving guest was a binomial rule. The welfare condition of his subject was his primary. Firokh Shah's 37 years of reject is largely remember from numeric of his, from numeric welfare of his subject. Welfare Firokh Shah was a Firokh Shah promote material processly that he endeavored to improve condition of his subject was his condition of his subject and to promote material properties. Firokh Shah started many to improve Firokh Shah started many simits to improve condition of his subject. He built rich houses from traveling and tried and set up free hospital from the poor. Thank you.